Hello everyone. I had a big collection of magazine cutouts or pictures for spring or Easter, and I've been thinking what to journal or what to make with them. And then I got into a video of Rosemary Morris, the Rusty Peacock, and she made a journal like this, and I was totally inspired. I really like that it's a full junk journal. These are magazine pages. You can maybe still see the writing under the paintings. And what I liked about it is just not only that it's a full junk from magazine pages, but I liked actually the puffiness of the pages. It's very squishy, it's very soft, and every page feels like a pillow, very soft, because every page is made out of multiple pages together, 6, 7, 8, just multiple together. I will post a link below of the original video of Rosemary Morris that inspired me. She has a tutorial how she made this, so I will not make a tutorial. And I just want to do a flip through so you can see what I have done. So as you can see, it's really Easter. I also made the tags from the magazine pages, and it's glued to like a food packaging. And it may not be 100% finished. I still need some quotes or something from the magazines because I didn't have enough. So I may still add to some pages later something, or maybe it will just stay this as it is. I don't know. But here we go. These were from Food magazine, actually. All those images from different kind of not only food. This was some cross-stitching magazine, if I'm not mistaken. So, and I finally got to use my metallic paints. I have few of them, as you can see. There are different, there is golden, brown, blue, so I have different ones, so I finally got to use them. I have them for many years and wanted to use them up. So as you can see, there is still some space that maybe for quotes or something, and you can see that puffiness. I really like that. This is the last one. So full junk, and it's squishy, how it's squishy. I really like that. I really do. So this is something that Rosemary did not have. This is something I added myself, and just I attach. It's not like a charm hanging, but I attached it on the top and on the bottom also, so it's covering a little bit the spine, which was not the purpose. I just wanted to use some of my beads and handmade buttons. So I will have soon a video out where I'm making these buttons from a toilet paper. So these are from toilet paper, and those are from Tyvek, and just the usual handmade paper beads. These are like boho beads. There are some beads wired around, and these flowers I made just from the wire and old nail polish and attached them to the beads. So I'm still planning to make a short video about how I'm making those. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.